In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your internet on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to System Settings, and on System Settings, we're going to Internet, and you want to test your connection to make sure that everything is okay. If everything is okay, we're going back and we're going to click on Internet Settings. And on Internet Settings, we're going to click on Change Settings, and what we're going to do is we're going to DNS settings, and we're going to switch it from automatic to manual. And we're going to switch our primary DNS settings. We're going to change it to 0.0.0.0.0.0.001, and we're going to click on OK. Then our secondary DNS, we're going to change it to 001.000.000.001, and then we're going to click on OK, and then we're going to click on Save, and we're going to click on OK. Then, if it's still not working, what you can do is you can go to airplane mode, and you want to make sure that airplane mode is turned off. And then if the internet is still not working, what you can do is restart your Nintendo Switch. So what we're going to do is, here you have the power button, and we're going to hold it for like 8 seconds. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we're going to let it down. And then to restart it, we're going to press 1 time again on the power button. Yes, and this is how you fix your internet on the Nintendo Switch 2.